How to share your Excel document as a link to Facebook. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to share any document on Excel as a link to your Facebook easily. So all what you have to do is go to Excel and choose the document you want, for example this one, and go to the top right here, click on this icon. Now choose share as a link option down here and click on the first option, edit link, and choose Facebook. If you didn't Facebook here, just swipe right until you find it. Click on it and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.